Here's
set.
36 down to the end of the car wash section. Here we go. Everybody marching and playing.
Mark, time, mark. Dress, center, dress.
Front in the arc.
Ready, front. What time is it?
All right. Can we do 75 to the end? Here we go. Drumline playing, everybody else singing your part. Here we go. Here's 75 to the end. Here's Boogie Fever.
132.
132. 132. Here we go. Quiet, band. Here we go.
Mark, time, mark.
Percussion only playing. Cut. 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 Reset. Reset. You're not listening. You're not listening.
Mark, time, mark.
Percussion only playing.
Center, dress.
All right. Listen. The focus on Monday is going to be the back part of this tune, set and set. All right, that's going to be the focus on Monday. Here's what I'd like to do. I'd like to go to the opening set, and I want to play and march it down to Boogie Fever. When we get to Boogie Fever, we're going to just hold and mark time to the end.
And play.
All right. Then I want to run the production number. All right, that's what we need to do. All right, here we go. Here's the opening set, please.
Let's hustle!
Does that mean run the production number as far as like marching also?
10, 10.
Shit.
Set!
Point up!
Mark! Time! Mark! Dut, 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 dut! Just center, just. Please watch at the end.
Brad, we got to work out that fermata, man. That fermata's a mess.
Yes, sir.
It's a mess.
Ready, front.
All right, set to the opening of production tune.
Excuse-moi. Oh, I have to wear this. Okay. Can't believe I have to wear this blasted thing. Hey, do we need it? I have 2 extras.
Okay, here we go.
Here you go.
Here's the production tune. Here's the production tune. I want to see the show.
All the way down.
Here we go.
Set.
Want to see the show.
Shh.
Hold on, cut. They're not ready. They're too busy talking. Go wait.
Mark. Time. Mark.
Cut. Horns up. Horns up is lousy, man. If the horns up sucks, then the first note is going to be terrible, and the first step is not going to be together, and it's going to be miserable the whole time. It's going to be a waste of time. Get the horns up together. Here we go.
Set. Mark. Time. Mark. Yeah. Dress, center, dress. Shh. Ready, break.
All right, bring it in, band.
Brad, get up here.
We're on your time, band. We're on your time.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Does your stomach start hurting? Shh. Do you want this back?
All right. We're in good shape, but we still got a lot of work to get done, still have a lot of stuff to do. Auxiliaries, I know that you're just now learning some sections of the routine. They need to be cleaned up. There's still some musical issues. We got to fix the fermata in the opener. That's a big mess. We got to get that fixed. Monday we're going to concentrate on we're going to concentrate on the fermata, and we're going to concentrate on set to set of Boogie Fever to the end. Okay, that's Monday's goal. Now, next Thursday night, you need to plan on staying until 10 on Thursday night. I don't intend to take you until 10 o'clock. I want to be done by 9 o'clock, but we've got a lot of stuff to do. It's the last Thursday night before our first game. We're only gonna plan to stay to 10 on this Thursday, or next Thursday rather, and the Thursday before homecoming. Okay. So just plan on it. I'm not going to try to go all the way up to 10. I'm still going to try to be done by 9 o'clock, but I want to have that extra time if we need it. All right, particularly if the weather doesn't cooperate next week. All right, I think the last weather report I saw said that it's supposed to rain every day, so hopefully it won't do that, but if it does, we're going to get wet. All right? Yeah. Please remember, we do not have rehearsal tomorrow. We do have symphony band tomorrow. Uniform distribution is Saturday at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Is that correct? All right, 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, veterans at 10, new folks at 2. All right, so make sure that you're there. If you have any issues with that, you need to see Tori Beck. That's the person that you need to see. All right, interest meeting for the organizations is tomorrow. If you want to buy tickets to Pie Dr. Blackstock in the Face, Five Buddha Rooters got tickets for you to buy. Now, if you go out tonight and you howl the moon and go doing whatever, please make sure that you don't ride with stupid people and that you wear your seatbelt. Okay, go have a good time, but come back safe. Okay. All right. Anything else? We don't have time for birthdays. Is there anything else? GAs? Anything I'm missing? All right. Good. Brad, who has a break?
Michael Plitman.
Who?
Him. I would assume Hawkins.
Yeah, Michael Plitman. All right, great. Good rehearsal tonight, band. Thank you very much. Good work.
Good. Dismissed. T-R-O-Y. Break. You cut off Dr. Walker.
Good work, man.
You're like, Benton,
Going to get it up.
Hold on.
There, now you got a director.
Sweet.